everyone, and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the new and best AI tools for website design. These tools can help you create websites faster, easier, and more professionally than ever before. Wix ADI. One of the best AI website builders is Wix ADI. ADI stands for Artificial Design Intelligence, and it uses machine learning to create websites based on your answers to a few questions. You just tell ADI what kind of website you want, and it will generate a variety of templates for you to choose from. ADI can also help you customize your website's colors, fonts, and layout. Pros and cons of Wix ADI. Pros. Easy to use, even for beginners. Wide variety of templates to choose from. Affordable. No coding required. Cons. Limited customization options. Not as powerful as some other AI website design tools. Hostinger AI Website Builder. Another great AI website builder is Hostinger AI Website Builder. This tool is also easy to use and affordable, and it offers a variety of templates and features to help you create a professional-looking website. Hostinger AI Website Builder also has a built-in AI assistant that can help you with tasks like choosing a template, adding content, and optimizing your website for search engines. Pros and cons of Hostinger AI Website Builder. Pros. Easy to use and affordable. Wide variety of templates and features. Built-in AI assistant. Cons. Not as many customization options as Wix ADI. Some templates are not as high quality. Divi AI. Divi AI is an AI website builder for WordPress. It uses artificial intelligence to create beautiful and responsive websites that are optimized for search engines. Divi AI is a great option for WordPress users who want to create a website without having to code. Pros and cons of Divi AI. Pros. Creates beautiful and responsive websites. Optimized for search engines. Works with WordPress, a popular content management system, CMS. Cons. Can be more difficult to use than some other AI website design tools. Requires some coding knowledge. Uizard. Uizard is an AI website design tool that helps you create custom websites by generating wireframes, mockups, and prototypes. Uizard is a great option for designers who want to speed up their workflow and create better websites. Uizard uses artificial intelligence to understand your requirements and generate designs that meet your needs. Pros and cons of Uizard. Pros. Speeds up the website design process. Helps you create better websites. Understands your requirements and generates designs that meet your needs. Cons. Can be more expensive than some other AI website design tools. Not as many templates to choose from. Adobe Sensei. Adobe Sensei is an AI toolset that integrates with Adobe software. It can be used for a variety of tasks, including website design. Sensei can help you create realistic mockups, generate CSS code, and optimize images for the web. Adobe Sensei is a powerful tool that can help you save time and create better websites. Pros and cons of Adobe Sensei. Pros. Powerful tool that can save you time and create better websites. Integrates with Adobe software, which is popular among designers. Can be used for a variety of tasks, including website design. Cons. Can be expensive. Requires some Adobe software knowledge. Ultimately, the best AI website design tool for you will depend on your specific needs and requirements. If you are a beginner, Wix ADI or Hostinger AI Website Builder are good options. If you are looking for a more powerful tool with more customization options, Divi AI or Uizard are good choices. And if you are a designer who wants to use AI to speed up your workflow and create better websites, Adobe Sensei is a good option. These are just a few of the many AI tools that are available for website design. I hope this video has given you a good overview of the new and best AI tools for website design. Subscribe our channel for more informative videos.